Hey, what is going on, folks? Today we got a Beats Solo 4. We're gonna do a little unboxing and then I'm gonna do a little sound test. I'm actually gonna let you guys listen to how this thing sounds. So if you've been watching some of the other videos on my channel, you know how that goes. You're gonna be able to hear exactly what I'm hearing as well. Okay, so make sure you have your headphones on and we're gonna go right into this. What can I say? I mean, the same form factor, it looks like. There's not much changes when it comes to the Beats line. It looks like they're doing the same thing. I mean, they just upgrade the internal guts, the chip, but pretty much form factor wise, it's iconic. It stays the same. The box looks like it's the same one that the Beat Studio Pro came in, except it's smaller, obviously. So the case here looks exactly like the Beats Pro that I have. Yeah, I actually do like this bag. I prefer this one over, if you guys remember this, the Beat Studio 3, I think. That one had a hard case, which I didn't like too much. Yes, guys, I did get a blue version of this. It looks pretty sleek, so it does match with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yeah, pretty much this is like the little brother of the Beat Studio 3, it looks like. Button right here, you can press in there. Over here, you can't press it, but the power button, I'm pretty sure that's the power button, is over here. So when I hold that, this thing turns on, it's ready to connect. 3.5mm jack, still have that. Same trustworthy, I believe, aluminum on here, and it says 4 right over here. Just in case you didn't know, this is a Beats Solo 4. Cushion down here, small cushion, not a lot. But pretty much, yeah, they just shrunk down the Beats Studio 3 into this form factor right here. Now, obviously, if you guys are looking at this, I just want to explain that this is over the ear. That's what Solo is for. Now, if you want the over-the-ear ones, you want to get the Studio. That one has a bigger cup. It'll cover your whole ear. Yeah, that's pretty simple right there. Nothing much to say other than how it folds in and things like that. Yeah. Let's see what else is in the box real quick. So on the side right here, you got 3.5mm cord and USB-C cord. Nice case. I really like that one. Okay, so there you have it. Let's go ahead and do a little sound test on these baby. Put your headphone on. Let's go. Okay, so right now, I want to switch over to this mic right here so you can hear it. If I can snap. So there you go. This headphone right here is kind of like a 3D headphones, and so you'll be able to hear exactly what I'm hearing right here, from the back to the front, to the side. So yeah, just to let you know, all right? Let me go ahead and open this one up. Ready? With the headphones on, it's on my ear, so can you hear? Anyway, we're gonna play a little song. Let's go. About 80% volume. Okay, so first let me explain real quick. I do have spatial audio on, so whenever I tilt my head, you could kind of feel where the audio is coming from. So that's one thing about this right here is new spatial audio. And if you've ever used like an AirPod Pro or anything like that, you know what I'm talking about. But the folks that have never tried it before, you gotta try spatial audio. That's one of the special thing about this right here, really. I mean, something like this is where you get in the high-end Bose headphone where spatial audio, where they have spatial audio. I think it's like the Bose Ultra or something like that. That's where spatial audio is. But if you get this Beats Solo right here, I mean, you get spatial audio with the Apple device. It's pretty amazing stuff. Anyway, let's play another song, and then I'm really gonna test out spatial audio by turning my head and stuff like that for you guys, okay? Okay, so let's play this one. All right, ready? So I don't know, I hope that explained to you what spatial audio is like. Wherever your device is, you turn your head, it's gonna try to position the audio that way. So it sounds like you're on a live stage or live music events. Pretty cool stuff if you've never tried it before. Anyway, once again, that feature right there, you really can only get on like a high-end Bose headphone. But with these right here, you got them in there right here. I mean, it's pretty amazing stuff. So I also just want to talk about the extra feature that I noticed on here as well compared to some of the other headphones that I have. One feature that it has is that you can now see this thing on your Find My iPhone. So you guys know how important that is. If you've ever used an Apple product, you can actually track where this headset is. So it's amazing. In case you're in school and it gets lost, yeah, you can actually find this thing. Pretty amazing stuff. And on top of that, I just want to also point out that you can actually ring this thing right here. See that? You can play sound on there. But yeah, that's what I want to let you know is that it has come in really handy for my kids whenever they use their AirPod Pro. If they lost it, they can actually find it. They can actually ring it, beep it, things like that. Long story short, it's if you get a headphone in 2024, you're gonna want that feature, especially if you're an Apple user. All right, so what I want to do is I want to show you when you hit play sound, what it sounds like. So there you have it. Yeah, that's how it sounds whenever you trying to find this thing. Let's say if you lost it under your bed, it dropped inside of your bed or something like that. You can find this thing by beeping it. It's pretty amazing stuff that Apple is, you know, attaching pretty much an AirTag into all of their products. Really like that a lot. There you go, guys. That's it right there. That is the Beats Solo 4. This is great. Number one, it has a Find My iPhone kind of tracking device on here. Secondly, a lot of bass. If you're one of those that like a lot of bass, definitely this one's for you. And the form factor, this is very small. So unlike like the Studio Pro or the Studio 3 or the Beats Pro, if you like the over-the-ear and a smaller form factor, I think this one's for you. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm out.